toll road here, and I'm in Sugarcreek, Ohio, known as the Little Switzerland of Ohio. And this is the world's cuckoo clock. We're gonna check this out and a little bit of this Swiss village here. So, you know what you gotta do. Buckle up. You're about ready to take a ride on the toll road. Pretty eclectic right here through town. We got, looks like a fairies and quilts, and they actually pump Swiss music in here. I'm really starting to think I need to do some yodeling. Who's in favor of some yodeling? And right here in town, they have a memorial to their own Lieutenant General Donald L. Putt, who was an aviation pioneer and test pilot, part of their original rocket programs. Now, in 1963, the Alpine Alpa restaurant, which was in Wilmot, Ohio, commissioned the world's largest cuckoo clock to be built. And 12 years and $50,000 later, it was completed. The clock was even featured on the cover of the 1978 Guinness Book of World Records. However, after being exposed to the weather for 30 years, the cuckoo clock was in need of saving. And Hampton Hotel started the Save a Landmark program to restore the cuckoo clock to its original operating condition in 2007. The restaurant closed 2 years later, and the owner of the local store, Walnut Creek Cheese, purchased the clock and donated it to the village of Sugarcreek. The clock was moved to its new home in May of 2012. It was returned to its working condition, placed on display, and is now there for all to enjoy. The cuckoo clock will go off on the top of every hour and on every half hour. It's getting close to that time. Let's get over there and check it out. We need to get closer. It's only a couple minutes away. This giant clock is 24 feet tall and 23 feet wide. That's going to do it for the toll road here in Sugarcreek, Ohio. And who knows? Who knows where the toll road will lead to next?